Graduating from the Philippine Military Academy is such a blessing to me. But being the top one of the Salaknib class of 2017 makes me even more blessed. Things really happened when we least expected. In this world, nothing is certain. Maybe for now you want something, then your mind will change and desire for another. You cannot have one if you are still holding the other. Life is a choice. Time will come that you will have to make a decision which will then change your life permanently. And my life changed when I decided to accept the challenge, to submit myself in the military world, and to take the opportunity to learn, lead, and serve our country and people. I am just an ordinary cadet, one who commits mistakes, who slept in class, and has flaws in my own ways. Nobody is perfect, but being imperfect does not mean that you do not aim for excellence. For as long as you are doing your best in everything that you do, that is excellence. And cadets like us should always aim for that. Our transition from carefree civilians to fine-grown military men and women was never an easy thing. We were tested physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. There were times when quitting crossed our minds. But when things got hard, we kept on going. We kept our faith burning, and we made our family our inspiration to continue doing the things that we are doing. We had to remember that the sun will set and another day will come again. But most importantly, we should keep our faith in God. Then a day, a week, a month, or even years passed without us even noticing it. Ang pagtatapos naming ito ay tagumpay ng lahat. Kaya naman sa ngalan ng Salaknib Class of 2017, hayaan niyo po akong kunin ang pagkakataong ito upang pasalamatan ang mga tao sa likod ng aming tagumpay. Sa aming mga mentors, sa matigang pagbabahagi ng kanilang kaalaman at tumayo bilang aming mga pangalawang magulang sa loob ng 4 na taon. Sa aming mga squad leaders, mula NCBN hanggang regular corps. Salamat, Sir Ma'am, sa walang sawang pagpapaalala sa amin ng mga bagay na kailangan naming malaman. At sa paggabay sa amin mula noon hanggang ngayon. Sa aming mga buddy at squad mates, upperclassman o underclass. Salamat dahil kayo ang nagbigay ng kulay sa pamamalagi namin dito sa Academy. You brought out in us the best leader that we can be. Masaya at proud kami na kayo ang aming mga buddies at squad mates. Sa Team PMA, salamat sa pagiging instrumento sa paghubog ng mga susunod na leader ng ating bayan. Sa aming pamilya, salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta sa bawat isa sa amin. Lalong-lalo na sa aking foster parent na si Colonel Renwick Rotacio all the way from Davao. Salamat po. Gawin din si Papa Andre ng Baguio City. Salamat po, Papa. Makakasiguro kayo na kami ay nasa mabuting kamay. Let me take this opportunity to acknowledge our families who, throughout our cadetship, have borne and accepted the burden of the profession we have chosen. Personally, let me thank my parents. Ma, Pa. My sister, Nanay Bebe, Tito Tirso. Salamat sa lahat. Salamat sa suporta. Salamat dahil lagi kayong nandyan At salamat dahil ginawa ninyong malapit ang Nueva Ecija sa Baguio. Tuwing may mga espesyal na okasyon at tuwing kailangan ko kayo. At higit sa lahat, lubos kaming nagpapasalamat sa ating Ama na siyang lumikha. Wala kami ngayon sa inyong harapan kung hindi dahil sa Kanya. Kaya naman ang lahat ng papuri at pasasalamat ay binabalik namin sa Kanyang dakilang pangalan. Graduation is not the end, but the beginning of the new chapter of our lives. To the underclass corps, thank you for being part of our cadetship. May you continue to live your remaining days here in the Academy with dedication and excellence. Do not forget the values and honor that we have to uphold. Keep on striving and beating yourself, because the best fruit that you can get is from hard work. To the Salaknib class of 2017, Ms. Ta, congratulations. The accomplishment of one is the accomplishment of all. This is not goodbye, but a new beginning to look forward to. And as we go on separate ways, may we bring with us the skills, values, and character that the Academy has instilled in us. Let us not fail our alma mater. Let us make her proud by doing our job and by doing it well. To the Filipino people, whom we have pledged to serve with honor and integrity, utang namin ang lahat ng ito sa inyo. We will strive to become the best officers who are worthy of your respect and trust. We vow, as young leaders of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, to always serve you and our country with vigor and unwavering commitment. Sa buong sambayanang Pilipino, handa na po kaming magsilbi sa inyo. Handa na po kami. Maraming salamat po at magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.